Okay, so this is a holiday decoration, which has a doll wearing a very nice seasonal green and red outfit. It's got that fake fur trim. It's like a green velour, red velour, and she has two birds in her hands, one in each. And they're like little white winter birds. And when you plug her in, her head moves from side to side, and the arm with one of the birds moves back and forth. If you want to try to position her head differently, I'm sure you can do that. But I'm afraid to wreck any of the mechanics. And she works fairly well. Her head is turning without any issue. The arm is moving back and forth without any jerking or hesitation. And it would make a nice addition to any scene. See, she's fairly large. That's my hand, so she's probably a good 20 to 24 inches. Okay, so there she is, waving goodbye.